We met in the 6th grade, and ever since then we've been inseparable. All throughout middle school, it was all sleepovers. Yes. Watching SpongeBob. Yes. Stop it. Learning the newest dances at the time. I'm pretty sure you taught me how to chicken noodle soup. And jerk. And one of my personal favorites was having the occasional water fight in the living room. Sorry, Mom. Yeah. But yes, you heard that, right? We would throw cups of water at each other in the living room, which was carpeted. Yeah. Sorry, Deja's mom. It's good for the soul. Throughout high school, it was pretty much the same, only we swapped out the water fights for like card games, so we kept it dry. But on a serious note, it's a blessing to have grown up with Deja as my best friend. Not only because we got to experience some of the best times of our lives together, like both proms, all of our graduations, vacationing in Florida, but I got to witness her become the insightful, supportive, encouraging, thoughtful person that she is. But she always makes sure that life never gets in the way, like too busy for a phone call. She'll ask me if I've eaten anything if she notices that it's like past dinner time. Oh gosh, sorry. But she never let distance get in the way of our friendship. I still cherish the time that she ripped out a page of a SpongeBob coloring book and mailed it to me so we could take turns coloring it in, just so there could be something that we could do together, despite being in different states. Aww. She is the gold standard for a best friend, and I'm so glad that she found the perfect match for her in Arturo. Yeah. The first time I met Arturo was over a video call. Deja asked me if I wanted to meet him, and I was like, yeah. I need to know what his intentions are with my best friend, especially if he wants to take you away from me. I mean, I left first, but who's coming? So, within a few minutes of talking to Arturo, I remember telling him, okay, you're good. And Deja was very disappointed that it wasn't really a full interrogation. But I knew within those few minutes that Arturo was very serious and very genuine when he talked about Deja and his intentions. And clearly, you know, not to brag or anything, but I was right. And although me and Arturo and I are still getting to know each other, I have never seen Deja smile the way she does when she's with him. And it's so comforting to know that my best friend has found someone as compassionate, kind-hearted, and loving as she is. So with that said, I would like everyone to raise their glasses to the bride and groom. Deja and Arturo, may the years ahead strengthen the love that you share. I love you both. To Deja and Arturo. Deja and Arturo.